Oh, hell no!
Hello everyone, Motorcycles Planet here and...
Sewer Lady!
Right, so wanted to talk about the trend lately of all these classic helmets and, you know, the old style as we call it, the old day helmets, helmets like the Bullet, the Bell Bullet, the Eliminator, then you've got the Simpson helmets, the Bandit helmets, and yeah, well, they're a bit pricey, you know, and they do hurt the pocket. So I've got a surprise here. We open up this. Not well known internationally, but locally here in the Philippines.
Indeed, made a lot for different type of brands that existing in the Philippines.
So here we have it. We all know zebra helmets. So let me show you something pretty crazy. Zebra have come out with their own design. Look at that. Doesn't that look Bandit, Simpson, Bullet? Looks a bit like them, doesn't it? But it doesn't cost anywhere like them. So, oh look, it's got the side opening, like similar to the Eliminator.
Or Bell.
Bell Eliminator type visor.
I just noticed that now.
On the side there. And well, you can see that the front part here is very Simpson style. Yeah.
And it has for eyewear.
If you look at the top area here, that looks more kind of like Bullet. So let's turn it inside out. Beautiful lining on this actually for a low cost helmet, and it has D-rings. Oh look, D-ring system. D-ring system from Zebra. Wow. Now, that is impressive, eh? Beautiful brown lining, and then with a kind of like leather effect here. Also chin curtain with leather effect. I'm impressed, I'm impressed. Is this a removable and washable lining? Yes, it is.
Not bad for a zebra.
Well, washable lining.
Pretty cheap.
Even the rubber gasket around looks pretty nice.
Nicely done.
Yeah, even the paint job, very good. This helmet in Filipino pesos is just over 3,000 pesos. Between 3 to 3.5.
It has a look like the Star Wars. It's the
yeah,
Star
this
Troopers.
looks like a trooper, doesn't it? Yeah.
The white one.
Or the stormtroopers.
It's available in 2 colors, and I will include that.
Yeah, it's available in the matte black, glossy black, and this white version. You gotta rub that out and put Simpson on it.
Yeah.
Could be fooled, couldn't you?
Yeah, that's the only way they have.
Anyway,
No other.
that's just a quick look at that. Oh look, they're fancy. They're giving you even a little cloth here to wipe the visor with. Yeah, nice little helmet. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. For people who can't afford the very high-end ones, this one, you know, kind of looks good. Yeah, nice finish on there. Looks like the white has got sort of like a flake in it as well. Very shiny. Okay, thanks for watching.
Ta-ta!
Ta-ta!
Well, I show you first the 3 helmets that is. Look. Anyway, I will include it in a picture. Those are the other. It's available. Nothing. I'm just bored. I just want to show you another type of helmet in my workplace. Ciao, guys!